we'll guide you through how to use Krita, an amazing tool for digital painting and illustration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Once it's loaded, you'll see the startup screen with various options. Click on New File to create a new project. Here, you can choose your canvas size and resolution. For a standard digital painting, a canvas size of 1920 by 1080 pixels at 300 dpi is a good start. After setting your preferences, click Create to open your blank canvas. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left, you'll find the toolbar with various tools like the brush, eraser, and selection tool. On the right, there's the Layers panel where you can manage your artwork layers. Layers are crucial for non-destructive editing. To start drawing, select the brush tool from the toolbar or simply press B on your keyboard. You can adjust the brush size and opacity from the top menu. To change the brush type, click on the brush icon in the top toolbar and explore the different presets available. Krita offers a wide range of brushes for different effects. If you want to draw straight lines or shapes, use the Line tool or Shape tool from the toolbar. To add color, select a color from the color wheel in the Docker panel. You can also use the color picker by pressing Ctrl and clicking on any color in your canvas. If you make a mistake, you can use Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. Remember to frequently save your work by going to File, then Save As, and choose your desired file format. Krita supports various formats like PNG and PSD. A cool tip is to use the Reference Images feature. You can import reference photos to help guide your artwork. Just go to File, then Import, and select Import into Layer. This keeps everything organized within your project. As you continue to work, explore other features like filters and effects under the Filter menu, which can add interesting textures and adjustments to your piece. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.